what we are saying. We want your 1 minute, 2 minutes in participation, not more than that. So you follow the instruction. First you listen to the wordings of your Guru. If you are considering me as the Guru, that was the best gift of Guru Purnima as a Guru Dakshina. 1 minute you cannot give. If you cannot give your 1 minute to me, what I can expect as a Guru Dakshina from you? Guru Dakshina does not mean the valuable things. It means the respect, it means the affectionate, it means the love. That's all, nothing else. We do not expect anything as a Guru Dakshina. Okay. So let us start fraction. Let us continue teaching. Yes. My blessing. See, even though from student from E division and F division, they have not sent me the video. They have not sent me the picture of Guru Purnima. But I have showered my blessings to all the students of E division and F division. Blessings are equal. Even though you are not sending me picture, you have not sent me the picture. But I have showered all my blessings on all the students of E division and F division. But next time you should take care, my dear. What we are saying, at least pay attention for 1 minute. It was hardly a matter of 1 minute. Okay, so my blessings are to all, equal blessing. How much quantity of blessing I have showered on New Setia, the same quantity of blessing I have showered on each and every student of E division and F division. There is no difference in showering the blessing. Okay, so let us start fraction, exercise 3B. But next time yes. For each pair given below, state whether it forms like fraction or unlike fraction. It forms like fraction or unlike fraction. Yes? So tell me, what do you mean by like fraction? Yes? Like fraction means denominators are equal. Like fraction means denominators are equal. Like fraction means denominators are equal. Unlike fraction means denominators are different. So like fraction means denominators are equal. Denominator is equal. Write on this. And unlike means, write on this. Unlike means denominator is not equal. Yes? Mute the microphone. So first 5 by 8, mute the microphone, 5 by 8 and 7 by 8. 5 by 8, 7 by 8. They are like or unlike? Yes, see the denominator. 8. So they are like fraction. Because denominator is same, no? Denominator is 8. So they are like fraction. Now second, 8 by 15 and 8 by 21. 8 by 15 and 8 by 21. Yes, tell me whether they are like or unlike. Denominator is 15, denominator is 21. Unlike. So write down this. They are unlike fraction. Then third, 4 by 9 and 9 by 4. You have to see the denominator. Denominator is 9, denominator is 4. So they are unlike. When denominators are equal, they are like fraction. When denominators are different, they are unlike fraction. Then second, convert the given fraction into fraction with equal denominator. Convert the given fraction into fractions with equal denominator. So how you will make equal denominators, tell me? You have studied that in the rational number, my dear. Yes, by taking LCM of the denominator. So already that you have studied in the rational number. Okay. So first it is 5 by 6, 5 by 6 and 7 by 9. So you will take LCM of denominator, LCM of 6 and 9. So I will take LCM of 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is, yes, what is LCM of 6 and 9? Is 18. LCM is 18. So how will make denominator equal? Multiply 6 by 3. So 5 into 3 upon 6 into 3. Then multiply this 9 by 2. 7 2s are 9 2s are. So this is 15 upon 18 and this is 14 upon 18. Now the denominators are equal. Okay. Now this is my denominator. Denominator is 18, denominator is 18. So answer is 15 upon 18 and 14 upon 18. So in order to make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominator. So you can, to make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominator. Because denominator is 6. Denominator is 6, denominator is 9. They are not equal. So I will take LCM of denominator. How we calculate LCM? Yes. Which one? This one? No, we have to make denominators equal. See the condition. We are interested in making denominators equal. We are not interested in numerator. Okay. Unlike fraction, 5 by 8 and 7 by 8, they are like fraction because denominators are equal. Okay. Now second, 2 by 3. Second is 2 by 3. So now see, your fractions are same as rational numbers. So I will not do much more thing in fraction because they are same as rational number. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. So what you will do? Denominator is 3, 6, 12. So LCM of 3, 6, 12 is 12. Is 12. Now further part will be homework. Okay. The rest I am giving homework. Because this already we have done this in the rational number. 4 by 5, 17 by 20. We have to learn new things. This is not new thing. Already you have studied this in the rational number. 23 by 40, 23 by 40 and 11 by 16. So you will take LCM of 5, 20, 40 and 16. Okay, so further part I am giving homework. Whatever it is. Okay, you have to take LCM of this. Then convert given fraction into fraction. Convert given fraction into fraction with equal numerator. Which one? To make denominators equal, I will take LCM of the denominator. That's all. To make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominator. Okay. To make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominators. And how we find LCM of the? We use common division method. Now third is convert the given fraction into fraction with equal numerator. Third, convert the given fraction into fractions with equal numerator. Convert the given fraction into fraction with equal numerators. Now you want numerators equal. First it is 8 by 9 and 12 by 17. 8 by 9 and 12 by 17. So how? Now you have to make numerator equal, my dear. This is my numerator. Numerator is 8, numerator is 12. So now you will take LCM of numerator. Is it clear? Are you following? To make to make numerators equal, I will take LCM of numerators. LCM of numerator, that is 8 and 12. 8 and 12 is what is? Is 24. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So let us make numerator 24. So this is 8. So multiplied by 3. 8 3s are 24. 9 3s are. And this will be 12 2s are. 12 2s are upon 17 into 2. So this is 24 upon 27. And this is 24 upon 34. Now numerators are equal. To make numerator equal, I will take LCM of numerator. To make denominator equal, I will take LCM of denominator. Yes. So to make numerators equal, I will take LCM of numerators. To make numerators equal, I will take LCM of numerators. That's all. Is it clear? To make numerators equal, we take LCM of the numerators. Yes. The same thing we have done in the rational number. We are not doing anything. Because what is rational number? Numerator upon denominator. What is fraction? Numerator upon denominator. But in fraction, numerator and denominator both are positive. Whereas in rational number, numerator denominator can be negative also. That's all. That is the only difference. Now second is 6 by 13. Second, 6 by 13. Now you have to make numerator equal. 6 by 13. 15 by 23. 15 by 23. And 12 by 17. So now you have to make numerators equal. So what you will do? You will take LCM of numerators. LCM of 6, 15 and 12. Further part homework. Further part homework. Okay. Now third, 15 by 19. 15 by 19. 25 by 28. 25 by 28. Then 9 by 11 and 45 by 47. Now you have to make numerators equal. So I will take LCM of numerator. LCM of numerator 15, 25, 9, 45. Further part will be homework. See here, whenever it is asked make numerator equal, then only we take LCM of numerator. Otherwise, every time we take LCM of denominator. To simplify the given two fraction, we take LCM of the denominator. Unless and until it is asked make numerator equal, we do not take the LCM. Then put the given fraction in ascending order by making denominators equal. 4. Put the given fraction in ascending order. Put the given fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means? Yes, ascending order means increasing order. Smaller to bigger. By making denominators equal. By making denominators equal. By making denominators equal. By making denominators equal. Put the given fraction in ascending order by making denominators equal. You have to make denominators equal. You have to make denominators equal. First it is 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 1 by 6. 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 4 and 1 by 6. So you have to make denominators equal. So to write down in ascending order, first I will make denominators equal. So I will take LCM of 3, 5, 4, 6. What is that? Is 60. Okay. Is 30. 30 will not be there, no, my dear. If you have problem, you can calculate, no problem. 3, 5, 4, 6, common division method. Let us calculate. 3 ones are 3, 5, 4, 3 twos are 6. Then 2, 1, 5, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Then 2, 1, 5, 1, 1. Then 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 5 into 2, 10, 2s are 20, 3s are 60. So LCM is 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. LCM is 60. So now make denominator of each one of them equal 1 by 3. So what is the denominator? LCM is 60. So multiplied by 2, multiplied by 20. So 1 into 20 upon 3 into 20. That is 20 by 60. 1 by 3 is 20 by 60. 1 by 3 is same as 20 by 60. Okay. Now similarly you will convert 2 by 5. Before writing them in the ascending order, we have to make denominators equal. And how we make the denominators? Yes. To make denominators equal, we take LCM of the denominator. And how we find LCM? By common division method. To make denominators equal, we have to take LCM of the denominator. To make denominators equal, we have to make LCM of the denominator. So next is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. Now we want denominator 60 multiplied by 12. So 2 into 12 upon 5 into 12. That is 24 upon 60. So 2 by 5 is 24 upon 60. Let me write because I have to explain to all. Next is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now denominator is 4. We want 60. Multiply by 15. So 3 into 15 upon 4 into 15. That is 45 upon 60. 45 upon 60. So 3 by 4 is 45 upon 60. Okay. Next 1 by 6. 1 by 6. 1 into 10 upon 6 into 10. That is 10 upon 60. So 1 by 6 is same as 10 upon 60. Now you check whether denominators are equal. Let us check. Denominator is 60. Denominator is 60. Denominator is 60. Denominator is 60. Now the denominators are equal. Therefore, we can compare numerator. Whenever denominators are equal, we can compare numerator. So 20 by 60. Yes. So we write 10 upon 60. 10 upon 60 is ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So first we write smaller, 10 upon 60. After 10 upon 60, 20 upon 60. After 20 upon 60 is 24 upon 60. 24 upon 60 is less than 45 upon 60. Now 10 upon 60 is which fraction? 10 upon 60 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is less than 20 upon 60. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 24 upon 60. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is less than 45 upon 60. 3 by 4. So now this is in ascending order. Are in ascending order. Increasing order, smaller to bigger. So this is in ascending order. So in order to write down the given fraction in ascending order or descending order, first we make denominators equal. And how we make denominators equal? By taking LCM of the denominator. By taking LCM of the denominators. Now second question, write down them in the ascending order. Second question, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 11 by 12 and 3 by 10. 3 by 10, homework. Okay. Write down them in the ascending order. Third one, 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 9 by 14, and 20 by 21. You have to take LCM of the denominator and write down them in the ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Homework. Second and third are homework. Okay. So now, second and third, only 3 exercises are there. No? Only 3 exercises are there. Now fifth question, arrange the given fraction in descending order by making numerators equal. Okay. Fifth question, arrange the given fraction in descending order. Arrange the fractions in descending order. Arrange the given fractions in descending order by making numerators equal. By making numerators equal. Now you have to write down them in the descending order by making numerator equal. So this concept you remember. Whenever numerators are equal, numerator is same. Whenever numerator is same, then if denominator is bigger, if denominator is smaller, then fraction will be bigger. If denominator is smaller, then fraction will be bigger. This you remember. Whenever numerators are equal, if denominator is smaller, then fraction will be bigger. Whenever numerators are equal and if denominator is smaller, then the fraction will be bigger. If denominator is bigger, fraction will be smaller. Write down that also. If denominator is bigger, dr means denominator. If denominator is bigger, then fraction will be smaller. Whenever numerators are equal, if denominator is bigger, fraction will be smaller. If denominator is smaller, fraction will be bigger. When numerators are equal, first it is 5 by 6 descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Bigger to smaller. First it is 5 by 6, 4 by 15, 5 by 6, 4 by 15, 8 by 9 and 1 by 3. Let me write all the question. Second, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 3 by 7, 4 by 9, 5 by 7, 8 by 11, 5 by 7, 8 by 11. Then third question, descending order. 1 by 10, 6 by 11, 6 by 11, 8 by 11 and 3 by 5. Let me do first, second and third. Let me give homework. Because in this, let me solve first. Solution of first. 5 by 6, 4 by 15, 8 by 9 and 1 by 3. Now we have to make first numerator equal. Numerators are different, no? 5 is my numerator, 4 is numerator, 8 is numerator, 1 is numerator. So to make numerator equal, I will take LCM of numerators. LCM of 5, 4, 8, 1. What is that? Yes? 40 is 40. LCM is 40. Okay? So let us make numerator of each one 40. Let us make numerator of each one 40. So for yes, yes, yes. To make numerators equal, I will take LCM of numerator. So first it is 5 by 6. First it is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Now numerator is 5. Yet, multiply by 8. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are. So that is 40 upon 48. Yes. Next it is 6 by 11. Sorry, 4 by 15. 4 by 15. So to make denominator numerator 40, I have to multiply by 10. 15 into 10. That is 40 upon 150. 40 upon 150. Then 8 by 9. Multiply by 5. 8 5s are 40. So that is 40 upon 45. Okay. Then 1 by 3. 1 multiplied by 40, 3 multiplied by 40, that is 40 upon 120. 40 upon 120. Now numerators are same. See here. Numerators are same. 40, 40, 40, 40. So now I will compare denominator. And if denominator is smaller, that number will be bigger. Because descending order means bigger to smaller. So which is 48, 150, 45, 120. Which is smaller? No, which is smaller? 45. So that will be bigger. That will be bigger. So we write 8 upon 9. We write 8 upon 9. Okay. We write 40 upon 45. 40 upon 45 is greater than 40 upon 40. After 45, it is 88. Is greater than 40 upon 120. 40 upon 120 is greater than 40 upon 150. See here, if you see the ascending order, symbol was this way. Ascending order, descending order symbol will be this way. 40 upon 45 is my which fraction? 8 by 9 is greater than 40. 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 3 is greater than 4 by 15. 4 by 15 are in descending order. Are in descending order. Okay. So they are now in descending order. So remaining problem you try. Homework. See you tomorrow. Yes. Now it is bye. It is 9:43. We stop here. Bye.